Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. Got a big day planned. Look at that lighting. Yes, I'm gorgeous. Got a big day planned for you today. We're going to go buy some gasoline in my 29-year-old Mercedes. It's just gorgeous with girls. All right, here it is. This is my 1990 Mercedes 560 SEC. This is what we put the new transmission in. Remember that? Yeah, that was so much fun. So we bought it in Tulsa. We dragged it home all the way to Oklahoma City, and we did a little work on it. Then we had the gas leak. Remember that? So we have that all buttoned up. Everything is good. She's legal. She has a license plate and everything else. And look how pretty underneath. Yeah, she looks good. So let's try to start her up and see if we can make it to the gas station. These tires are really, really old, okay? So we're gonna say a little Hail Mary full of grace for the tires and hope that we make it to the gas station. Here we go. Okay, we do have to add a windshield to the list of things to do. Let's go ahead and turn her on. Okay. Now, when I close the door, well, let's do the windows first because it is rather warm here. Look at that, okay? And then we'll do this one. Voila. Now, when I close the door, I think the seat belt will present itself to me. Let's see here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Thank you, sir. We'll put this on. And then we will take it to the gas station and say goodbye. I call it the presenter. I don't really know what it is, actually. Okay, so hopefully we have gears that will get us there. Okay, well, we're backing up good. We're backing up good. Okay. So we know reverse works. And I have just enough gas to get us there. So let's see how we do. Okay, there's one gear. There's another gear. And look, do we have brakes? Probably should have checked that first. We do have brakes. Look at this. Okay. Boy, those tires have not rolled in a long time. You can kind of feel they're almost square. So let's jump out here. Oh shit, shoot, sorry. Let's back it up. Let's see what's going on here. We have some smoke coming out the tailpipe. Probably just because it hasn't run very long. Okay, this just became the busiest intersection in Oklahoma City. Okay, where are all these cars coming from? I got to get to the gas station before I run out. Come on. Shite. Holy crap. Here we go. Hopefully somebody... I can't go. I gotta go this way. Good Lord, mana! Come on. Okay, my foot is on the floor, and we're not going very fast at all. Okay, let's see here. She doesn't like it when you go from a stop. Okay, so let's try this. This is a huge church parking lot. and my foot is literally on the floor, and it's just not going very fast. Okay, this is weird. Oh, ouch. Okay, we got some really jerky gears. Okay, the foot's on the floor, and I've got her in first. Second. Okay, this could be fun. So there's no power. We got no power. Okay. There's fourth gear. So we have gears. Once we're going, there's just no power when we're at a standstill. Okay. Let's just get some gas and we'll get home. Okay, we made it to the gas station. I didn't get a receipt. Okay. Okay, we got some gas. $8. $8, 8 gallons. Come on. Come on. Okay, we know the gas gauge doesn't work. Fuel. We have fuel. We have some oil pressure. This is weird. Okay, seatbelt. I'm sorry, I don't want to put you on right now, so you're just gonna have to go back, okay? Kind of worried about this car and making it home. These pickup trucks think they can just drive anywhere they want. Okay, I'm floored. My pedal is to the metal. Ooh, jerk. Is there anything coming out the back? Okay, that's to the metal. Here we go. And now she doesn't want to go into any other gear. Okay, this is fun. So I think we're in limp mode. Let's see if she'll switch down. Okay, so there we go. We made it. kind of. I gotta check. That would be like the Bowden cable, maybe, for the jerky transmission, but she revs fine in park. Not so in drive. She just doesn't want to go in drive. So, can you help me out? Can you help a brother out? Why does she not like to go when she's in drive, but she'll rev like crazy when she is in park? Okay, this doesn't work. This works, that works, that works, that works, and that works. I wasn't watching this. Did the odometer work? Will it clear? Oh, okay, it'll clear, but we'll see. Okay, we know the radio doesn't work. Let's try this. No, let me see here. I want automatic. Let's see what kind of air comes out. That's hot. Okay, so we need some R134A, the antenna. Let me see if I can click the button. See it right there? Okay, the antenna doesn't work. Hazards don't work. The light works. Sorry about the upside down shot. Okay, and the windows work. I don't want to try the seat heaters because it's already hot. And the window works. Or the mirror. Look at that, how pretty. Okay, so good little evaluation. We have lots to work on. If you guys have any idea why this transmission is not reacting when I step on the gas, when it's in drive, I would appreciate the help. Woo, that's gonna do it. She smells a little hot, a little funky, but that's okay. She's 29 years old. She's coming back to life. I really don't know how long she's sat, probably for a very long time. So, super quick video. We're continuing to work on this car and that one and that one and that one behind me, so stay tuned, everybody. Bye.